Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the freezing and the stuttering error in the Dead Space Remake. So I will show you the 4 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. Our first method is that you have to just open your run box by pressing Windows plus R at once. And then search here for devmgmt.msc and then click OK. And here you have to just click on the display adapter, just expand it and then right click on the graphic cards and then click on the update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and wait for processing, and you can see that my driver has been updated. Basically you have to just update the graphic card drivers that are installed in your PC or laptop. After doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, you have to just search update in your search box and then click to open it. And at this interface you have to just click on the Windows update and check that if any update is available for your Windows or system, then you have to just update your system, as this is the most effective method to solve this error in your Dead Space Remake. So I just click on the install now, as Windows update is available in my case. So after completing this update, you have to just check for if any update is available for your Dead Space Remake, then you have to just update it. Now moving to the third method, you just need to verify the integrity of the game files. For this you have to just open your Steam library and then right click on your Dead Space Remake and then click on the properties, click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of game files. Wait for completion of this process and hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our fourth method, you have to just right click on your taskbar and then click on the task manager. So basically you have to just close all of the applications that are running in the background and are useless. So you have to just close all of these applications, like you have to just right click on that application and then click on the end task. Do this process for all of the applications. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Sometimes it is also useful for some players to reinstall your game. You should also try this method as well. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.